Hey, trader, Coach T, TackleTrading.com here, and a quick tutorial on how to use one of the stocks from the scouting reports. And, tonight in the Coaches Show, actually, Coach Noah on 5/21/2019 is going to be joined by Coach Emily, and they're going to talk about selling short and entering trades on the downside when markets are going down. And the market right now is kind of mixed, and so kind of want to talk about that idea of how to find something going down potentially. On the options report this past weekend, Coach Tyler Craig had a list of candidates on both the bullish team and the bearish team with setups and ideas, and I would go and review that whole thing. If you're a pro member, you get access, obviously, and if you're not a pro member, 15-day trial, at any time you can go and try this stuff out. If you go and check out the chart here on WWE, this was one of the trades from the scouting report, from the option report, and one of many that we had. And WWE had been in an uptrend, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, so on and so forth, but then it failed. It failed on a gap down on earnings. It broke down into a lower pivot low, lower pivot high, breakdown, sitting in a consolidation right here, and we had a breakdown here. Now, I added this text note onto my chart, and I would recommend that you guys get organized. As you build your watch list and your brokerage accounts each and every week, add your plans in here. Add your plans in here so that when you build your trade, because here's the thing from the option report, we don't recommend one strategy over another. These are generally delta-based systems, but if you want to trade a bear put debit spread or a put option, or if you just want to short the stock, that's up to you as the trader. Our job, bird dogging this stuff for you, going out and hunting for you, and finding those birds. We're going out there. We're looking for candidates. We're looking for setups that are actionable that we put through the tackle trading process. And this reversal pattern on WWE did fit our criteria, and we added it to our reports from over the weekend. Here's the thing: learn how to trade up and down. Target down here at 70. Stop up here at 83.5. We've got general reward to risk that's fairly strong in our favor right here. Reward zone, risk zone, and then the idea here from this below that is to trail stop. Once you get to 70, you'll have some decisions to make if you do get a profit, and then make a choice and move on. This is Coach T from TackleTrading.com. Get in the game.